So I just love proofreading and checking links. So I'm going to show you what I've done and how to correct the situation. This is our Women's Federation Austria website, and here are the reports that have been recently posted. And in our newsletter, just sent out today, are a few links which don't work, because this link, for example, is the Manage Wix. It's for the editor, for the person who's working on edit. You can see here in the link it says edit, and this one is correct. And here again, it's the Manage Wix and an edit link. Now, I went directly to the homepage on I have a shortcut here, so I went here to the homepage directly, and this is the report that I want the link to. When I click on these three dots here, I have the option to share this report. I click on there. I click here on link. The link has been copied, and that is now the correct link to put in to the, so I'm already responding to this. I've started another email to tell you that this is the correct link for this. This is the third link that I've corrected on this newsletter. So this is how to put it. So, dear Renata, I'm going to send you this link, the correct link, plus a copy to this video once I've uploaded it to YouTube as an educational video on my own channel. See you.